Hello, my name is Deepal and today's Viva topic is a try, catch and finally block. So in Java, in programming, exception handling is the process of the dealing with the exception and thereby preventing undersized program outcomes. An exception is an unexpected condition that disrupts the flow of our program. In Java exception handling, we use two keyword try, catch and finally. Try, catch and finally is a highly used for hiding, handling exception and keep the flow while also debugging the program. Menu, Java, uh, try, catch and finally block in Java. In programming, exception handling is the process of dealing with the exception and thereby preventing undersized program outcome. An exception is an unexpected condition that disrupt the flow of our program. In Java exception handling, we use the keyword try, catch, and finally they try, catch, and finally are highly used to for hiding exception and keeping the flow while also debugging the program. What is the exception? Let us beginning with the example. Let us divide two number x and y. We know that if y is a zero, so final value is not defined. Therefore this is a exception. An exception in Java is an unexpected condition that can occur during code execution. It is the situation that they disrupt the flow of the code and cause of the program termination. Exception is can use to programming to crash the if they want to handle properly returning the our previous example. Thankfully, by default, Java handle is the exception with the arithmetic exception class. How to handle exception? Exception handling is the used to deal with the exception. To manage exception, try and catch block can be used to. The try block is used to specify the scope within which an exception can occur. If an exception occur, the catch block handle in the following session. We will learn about the try catch block in Java. Try block in Java is used to specify piece of the code that may through an exception. The code within the try block is checked for the exception, and the exception is thrown captured by the corresponding catch block. So catch block is Java. Catch block in Java is used to handle an exception that was thrown within a corresponding try block. The catch block is only executed if an exception is thrown within the try block. The catch block defines the type of the exception that can be handled. The catch block is invoked with a when an exception of the specified type is thrown within the corresponding try block. To handle a different type of exception, we can have multiple catch block following a try block. The order of the catch block is critical because the first catch block that matches the type of the throw exception get performed. If no matching catch block is detected, the exception is propagate up to the call stack to next available to catch block or the default exception handler is if none is found. In Java, we used to provide the try and catch block to handle the exception in the more specific way. Last one is a finally block. In finally block, Java is in finally block, Java is used to define a block of code that will be executed regardless of whatever exception thrown or not. The finally block is optional, but often used to combination with the try and catch block to ensure that certain code is always executed even the if the exception is a throw or not. Thank you.